What's up, YouTube? Mr. Random checking in. Today we on a 2008 Mercedes C300. And I was gonna change the brake pads, but I might hold off on them for the moment and just replace these here shocks, rear shocks, and these supports, which I did a video before, I believe. So y'all check it out if you want. But here goes another one. Let's show you what to do. So comment, like, share, subscribe. Y'all know we're gonna keep it coming. Tune in, baby, or random. Yes, less. All right, gang. First, you're just gonna remove them covers off each side. You can pull these here panels back to where you can get to the bolts that's holding your shock mount in. So you see we got two right there. And we got two right there. I'm gonna get those loose. Remove this here bolt up under here. Gotta remove that cover. Like I said, I think I'm gonna hold off on the brakes for right now because they still look a little good. I'm gonna check that one on the back side and make a decision from there. But I think we gonna be all right with the brakes for us now. So y'all tune in, show y'all what to do. It's gonna be a 13 millimeter right here. We're gonna remove that and I'll cut y'all on in a minute once we get up under that fender well. All right, gang, so what I did so far, I just took these here bolts loose on both sides. I took this here cover off, because you gotta take that off in order to get to the shock bolt. And you can see how bad it is. Look, I'm able to pull it down by hand and it ain't even coming back up. Look. Probably need to take them off as well to get it out of there. So see how bad these shocks is. They need some here that I got off of eBay. How bad it is. They ain't even, look. Terrible. These here mounts actually good. I could probably keep them in. The ones I bought, I could probably bring them back. So it looked like just them shocks bad on here. And the brakes don't look that bad neither. So let me get him off of there. Like I see, it's just that bolt right there. And we should be ready to go back on with our new one, gang. Eat good, work good, eat good, we working. So we got to eat good, baby. Y'all see it? Smokehouse. With the goodies. With the planet labels. Alright, gang. Y'all see, we got both of them off of there. And they not even trying to shake back. You know them things bad. So I just got a 17 and I'm gonna break them. It's good to have these air tools. If you got an air compressor, it works pretty good. Gets out the jam a lot of times. So I had bought these here bushings, but shit, these here look good. So I'm gonna just bring mine back. Let me take this other one here off, get it assembled onto our new shocks, and I'll cut you back on. That's the original giant right there. Oh yeah, she come right back up. Check them out. That's what we want there, gang. That's exactly what we want there. I'm not sure if it came. I'm about to say, I ain't sure if it came with a new nut, but it did. So these here good. Them good. So I'm gonna just put them on our shock. Put our new nut on. See that? Let me get the other one assembled and get these things ready to install. All right, gang, I'm gonna make some clearance up in here. And once I get that bottom section locked on, I can have a space open so that top mount needs to slide up through my wheelbase. You know what I'm talking about? And like I said, we was gonna change the brakes. Man, look at them brake pads, man. I be giving money away. So I'm gonna hold off on that right now. So I'm gonna need 2 hands to try to get that shock up in there. I'm gonna have to compress it and then get it up in there. So let me at least get this bottom part. I'm gonna squeeze it down, put that bottom in place, then squeeze it again, let it shoot up in there. I don't have no short tripod, but what I could do, I could try to set y'all up on something so y'all can see what's going on. See how that'll work out. Locked down. You can go ahead on and pop your little covers back where they went at. Go ahead, put your little plastic nuts back on there. Got it through the top already. So we just gotta come up here and lock it down. Y'all see it ain't nothing to it. We're taking our time with it. Eating chicken, watching race trucks and everything else. You enjoy yourself. All right, gang, so we got the other side complete. Like I say, you just put your bottom section in. You just gotta get it in that housing. Let it extend and get your top section in, and then you can pry your bottom up a little bit just to get that bolt in. First, once again, you gotta start by opening this up. Give it some room, because it says once that upper support go in there, gotta go horizontal. I don't have a short stand to put y'all really anywhere. All I got is a tall one. It ain't gonna be able to get up under here. So I can't really show you step for step, but I'm telling you exactly what to do. You know it's not hard. You already know it ain't hard. My partner just left from over here. Boy, went to 1320 event. Out there running 12s, you hear me? And guess what? I got the recipe. You niggas in trouble now, motherfuckers. Now I'm gonna compress this shock. When I say compress, I'm gonna push it down. And then I'm gonna stick them up in it, but I can't do that with 2 hands. Look, he rising up. I can't do it, and I ain't got time. Let's see if I can. I can't really set y'all on that. You can't even see that right there. So I'm gonna compress. Lay it on and compress your shock. Once you compress, you gotta be quick because you don't wanna unpress once you depress. See? So you gotta hurry get them up in there. Guess we really need to get all this here back. Kind of press them from the bottom. Oh, you see, go. Go. A lot of dust too. Alright. So y'all see me in our house. We might be the I gotta compress them. He this way and our boats gotta go this way. So I gotta compress them, turn it, and then be mindful of where that top section got to go. Gotta be mindful. Gotta be mindful where that top section got to go, gang. You understand me? Alright, let's try to get this, baby. Come on, Mr. Miyagi. Come on, now. I'm not no Daniel fan. Miyagi. Mr. Miyagi. She sounded like she slipped right off in a hole. Sound like she slipped right off in that hole. You see that? So next you just want to take your little nuts. Take the nuts, you hear me? And just screw them right on that, baby. I told y'all that the brakes ain't bad. We knew the shocks was bad. Now we just gotta line up the bottom section. I think I'm about to hop in a miner today too. I'm about to hit a curve on y'all ass. Now we just gotta line up that bottom section. And you wanna know how to do that, gang? You guys want me to show y'all how to do that? Let me find Mr. Nutting bolt right here. That's what you need right here. So you want to run it from the front to the back. Prime up enough to weigh. Look, just the weight. Be where you need to get. And then screw your nut on. Now other than that, we just gotta lock everything down, gang. Just got to lock everything down from there, Jimmy. And Mr. Jim, that's him. Y'all, if y'all know me, you already know what I like to say. That's him, Jim. That's him, Mr. Jimmy. That's him, Jimmy. We call it Yearly Mike, Mr. Jimmy. Dang. That's tight, but if you want to double check, then you go ahead and get you a few pulls on them. Look. So next, we're gonna go ahead and put all the covers back in place. You see that? You want to get your plastic washers. Where your plastic washers at, gang? Come on now, you always losing something. Man, right here. Wow. And you just want to screw it up in. I told y'all I'm about to hit some curves. I don't know what y'all doing today, but I'm about to hit some curves. I'm gonna put something out on it. Right. Nah. I probably should have put the car on the ground and then tighten them shocks up. That's what I'm gonna do too. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this cover back on, and all she do is snap in place. Come on, Craig. All right, gang, we done. So before the car was pretty much sitting on the tire, we up now. So appreciate y'all for tuning in. Next, I'm gonna be changing the front brakes because I do have a brake light on. So it must be the front ones are bad. So thank y'all for stopping by, gang. We'll catch y'all on that next one, baby. I'm about to go hop in old garage. I don't see them flakes dancing, don't play. Who painted your car, Randall? Me.